Okay, so for this one, if you recall, once we get this down to just the absolute value symbol on one side, whatever's inside is fine, but we don't have anything outside multiplying or adding to it or anything like that, then what we're going to do is we're going to get rid of the absolute value symbols by writing what's inside first, exactly what's inside and with the inequality in the same direction, and then again what's inside with the inequality flipped and that number negated, like that. And then we got to just solve it. So how do we solve this? We say 9x divided by 9 is greater than or equal to 27 divided by 9. And when we simplify that, we get x is greater than or equal to 3. That's going to be one of the pieces we need. Here we say, okay, we're going to divide both sides by 9. And we get x is less than or equal to negative 3. That's the other piece that we need. And so which one says x is greater than 3, or equal to, sorry, we have to fill the dots in. Greater than or equal to 3, so here we are at 3. Which one's going greater than that? Greater than or equal to, because it's filled in. So it's going to be B or D. I'm going to cross out A and C because they don't fit that. And let's look at the second part, where x has to also be less than or equal to negative 3. So here's negative 3, and we need x to be less than or equal to that. Less than or equal to that. That one's good, but that one's already crossed out. That one's also got less than or equal to negative 3, and you can see that that is there, and that is there. And the other part, B, doesn't actually have the second piece of it because it's easy to misunderstand, and when you solve it, you don't actually split it into two like you need to. So if somebody that didn't know that might choose B. But if you do know that, then you would solve it correctly and you would end up with the result of D.